So my idea is I'm going to have several different user spawn points that are sort of like pseudo-random within a general area, and they have an area which they have to protect. So they're going to be running around, and they can also create these black holes. They'll suck everything around them into them, which are through like 3-layer triggers. And as they capture more people, then more people are going to spawn, and it's just going to ramp up. That's my idea.
Okay. I like it.
Good part of it already.
Nice. Do you have any coding questions?
Yes, actually. So I was thinking about the best way to create an NPC that would run away whenever it's close to something.
Okay.
And my idea was I would have an NPC, well, I have an NPC object, like a square, and I also have a sphere which is just a trigger.
Yes.
So whenever something was going that trigger, then I would find the collider and then make it move away. But I also want to have a rigid body, so I could manipulate it with my kind of big enemies. However, whenever I put a rigid body on it, it's very small. And it doesn't I could see, like, if I was inside the collider, and I was inside the collider, and it still wasn't moving, so it was a little odd.
You can turn gravity on and off on your objects? Is that the problem? Because you want to be in charge of all the velocities yourself, right? So you probably want to turn off Unity's gravity so things don't just fall, and then they have no forces acting on them unless you tell them to. Okay. Are you also watching Berserk? Yeah. Brian, I can see Berserk 3 times on my screen. Crazy. So, did any of those objects get destroyed, Brian?
Oh, absolutely not. The disabling didn't help either.
Okay, so let's debug something else. Let's debug collision.gameObject. Just write that out. So debug.log collision.gameObject. Sure. Bullet. Okay, so that's not good. We want it to be saying Space Hunter, right?
Yes. Oh, I think what might be happening is when I shoot these fast enough, the bullets are hitting themselves. You see that?
And so that's what all these hits are from.
Yeah.
So it doesn't even matter that ship's in front of you. Okay.
We're not actually ever hitting the space.
Okay. So let's give that spaceship a big old collider.
I'll put it on. I guess I can change this one. You can also delay the bullets. Make sure they're like behind each other. Oh yeah. I mean,
Yeah, you could do that with a coroutine. Every time you fire something, you make a coroutine that turns off some flag, and it says you're not allowed to fire, but then the coroutine comes back on in, say, a tenth of a second, and flips that variable back to true and says, now you can fire again. Yeah, but we'll do that later. We want this ship to blow up.
I just want my ship to be destroyed.
Exactly. Okay, so get rid of that mesh, or no, underneath mesh. Underneath mesh, down there, yeah, where it says none mesh, click on that circle on the right-hand side, and go pick something. Let's go pick a sphere. let's go find it. I thought. No, I thought it would show up. I thought you could scale that. Okay, so let's delete this mesh collider completely. Yeah, add some kind of sphere collider. And there, now you get the size of it. Right? Radius. Go look at the radius. Make the radius 10. Make it 50. Okay, make it 500 or whatever. Yeah. Oh, no, that's the avoidance radius. Make it big. Okay. Make it smaller. Okay. So that wasn't there before. Yeah. But at least it's there.
It's kind of in the middle now.
Okay. Try it.
Yeah.
Oh! Your ship is gone. Okay, what kind of console messages did you get?
Base on NPC 1 hit destroyed.
Yes.
Okay, I guess the mesh flyer wasn't doing what I thought it was doing.
I think you had it, but you didn't pick the mesh. So now that we know this works, we can go back and try to add a mesh collider and pick the mesh for the ship.
Wait, I missed that. What was the step?
So let's delete the sphere collider.
We put it in this big sphere collider up. Oh, okay. Okay, so we're deleting this?
Yeah, because we know that works. But then you want to do a mesh collider, but you have to pick the mesh.
Oh, can I pick?
Default. Or one of those things.
I think I did it.
Try that one. 444 triangles. Ah, that looks like the mesh. You see all those green parts?
Yeah.
That looks like a mesh directly overlaying your ship. Let's try that. Boom.
Yeah.
There we go.
I forgot I had to use the mesh, I guess.
Yep.
Let me apply that.
Apply that back to your transform.
3 tabs. Yeah, perfect.
Now, turn them all back on.
Sure.
Turn back on there. Okay. Go hunt another one down.
Oh, yeah, they're still destroying themselves.
Poof.
Die.
There you go.
Dips. Awesome. Nice.
Excellent. I think we're good on that one.
Yeah.
Yep. So now you make your bullets. You want to see how to make the bullets not shoot instantly after each other?
Yeah. So we need to
You want to do it back in the ship.
back in the oh, right, because that's where I'm shooting.
Yes.
So does shoot need to be an I numerator?
Yes. With a capital E.
and then I can give it a yield.
Not there. We want it to do stuff and then yield and then wake back up and do something else. So here's what I'm thinking. We give ourselves a Boolean flag variable that says active gun or something like that. Yeah, CanShoot. Make that true. There we go. And then when you shoot, if CanShoot, then you do that stuff. Right. So the first thing you do with CanShoot is equal false.
Right, you mean down here?
Yep. There we go. And then right at the end of that, we're going to add, yep, so right there, this is where you're going to yield. Return new wait for seconds. Let's wait 2 seconds just to make sure it's working. And then you're going to say right after that, CanShoot equals true. So that should limit you to only shoot once every 2 seconds.
I'm not being able to shoot at all. Nothing was happening when I was pressing that.
Okay, well let's go back inside your start. Up above, inside start, you want to say CanShoot equals true. Just to make sure it starts off being true. Add a debug message. Not in there, but down inside your shoot.
Right here?
Yeah. Tell me what the value of CanShoot is. Yep. No shooting?
No shooting is happening.
You're not even getting a debug message. Oh, right. We turned it into an IEnumerator. You have to say start go routine. Yep.
Right. Instead of calling shoot, it needs to be start go routine shoot.
Start go routine quote shoot. Yep.
And I'm clicking as fast as I can, and it's doing it correctly, I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. So turn that 2 seconds into a parameter that the user can adjust,
Okay.
and you're all set to turn this into something a game designer can use. Yeah.
Where is that?
Right there.
And that was in my
Space Hunter player. Yeah, so go to your Space Hunter player. And there you go.
Nice. Oh. Works well.
There you go. Cool. Well, I think we might call it if nobody else has questions. Are we all good?
Real quick.
Yeah.
In your email, you said that there had to be like a win condition for our game.
Yes.
To like pause the game and pop up with a big like you win across the screen, or like what exactly do you mean by setting a win condition?
I need to know what I'm doing when I play. And what am I supposed to be doing? It would be cool to say, hey,